Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. I will have in this video another update for a project pen that I started at the beginning of the year. It's a project that I created myself, and so far I didn't have any updates since January. Anyway, I had an empty here and there, but I didn't film for that. So far now I have 6 empties, and I think it's time to remove them. Anyway, this project all about nude. As you can see in the title, it's all about products that are in the nude category, beige, anything that falls in this category. I started this project because we use everything colorful, but not at least I wasn't use anything nude, and this is kind of the color that I reach the most. The older I get, the less I'm using colorful products. Anyway, let's see what I finished first. I have 6 empties, as I told you. I have 4 full sizes and 2 travel sizes. The first empty in here is this MAC eyeshadow, single eyeshadow, and this one was brulee, not creme brulee, was brulee, I think. It's completely done. I used this one as to set my eye primer. It took me a very long time to finish it, but finally it's done, and I love the formula and the color. Next empty in here, it's a lip liner, and this one is from Gerald Cosmetics. If I have some shades, I will leave it on the screen. Was quite dark, and it took me another long time to finish this one. I'm not using lip liners very often, and this one was quite dark, as you can see in here, but anyway it's done, and I'm glad to remove it. I used the upper nail polish, and this one is from Cool London, Perfecting Nail Veil, and let's see, I don't see a shade in here, but anyway you can see the color here. I didn't quite like this one, but I finished it. Then I have another full size, and this one is from Charlotte Tilbury. Is the airbrush flawless finish in shade 2 medium. Here is this one. Love this product. I found another full size and a travel size. Completely done. My single complaint is the thing that I feel like I'm going through one of these way too quickly, but love it. And last 2 empties in here, I have those 2 travel sizes from Tarte, and this one is the Lip Quench in the shade Nude, and they look like this. I always enjoy them, and I always have them in my collection. The other one is completely done also. Love the color, love the formula, and that's kind of all that I finished. 6 products, which is not bad considering that most of them are full size. I am working on other products. I have a total of 21 products in this project. From those 21, I finished 6, and I have 15 left. From those 15, 12 are eyeshadows, and those are the eyeshadows in this palette, in the Too Faced Natural Love. I didn't finish any of them because I didn't use the palette, and I wanted so much to finish this palette this year, but it didn't happen. I used the most this color right here, and I am supposed to finish all of those. Anyway, I don't know if it will ever happen, but anyway, I'm working on couple shades right now. Of course I use each one of them, but not enough to hit pan. So is this one. I have a product that I don't have it with me. Doesn't sound that good. Anyway, it's a Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk in full size lipstick. I used that one probably 3 times in all those months, and I didn't bring it with me because I don't have any progress. I have also this e.l.f., and this one is whatever is this one is in the color Joy, and it's a lip gloss. I am here right now. This one got lost because usually I'm going through one of these in about a week. Anyway, we'll be done next time. And last product that I'm working on is the Physician Formula Nude Warm Nude. Is this tiny palette. and this one has 12 colors. I don't know how long I have to work on this one to at least hit pen, but anyway, I use the most those 6 colors that are here on top, the light ones, and I remove the bow, the print on that. I will still work on this one because it's a pretty nice formula, and the shades are pretty easy to use, and the colors are also great for every day. That's all that I have left. Now let's go and see a couple items that I'm adding, because it's a rolling project pen. I'm adding more. I don't know if I will have another update this year, because looks like it takes a long time to use them, and I'm planning to add other projects. Anyway, if I will have at least one empty until the end of December, I will remove it and I will do another update. In the meantime, let's see what I picked up. I'm adding another 6 products. I have in here 2 deluxe samples and another for full sizes. One of them is this OPI, and this one is in the shade Bubble. It's not completely full, as you can see. I use a lot from this one. I am somewhere there. I will mark this one. I always use this kind of shade because it's a color that works every day. It's something that I call office color. I love to wear them. Then I have a travel size, and this one is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Itsy bitsy tiny, but I love this foundation. It's so light and works so well. I used the full size before and I found this travel size. This one looks a little bit quite dark. It's the shade 5. I used the shade 3 and that one was a little bit too light. But I always enjoy to use a shade that's a little bit darker than my skin tone. And I'm pretty sure this will work well. Considering the size of this one, probably I will have those 2 empties in my next update. Then I picked up another itsy bitsy tiny lipstick, and I don't know why I'm picking up lipsticks, because I have so many in project pens and I will definitely not finish those that I have for this year. Anyway, this is a Too Faced product. It's another nude color, very creamy, very easy to use. Let's see if I have a shade in here. This one is Naked. No, I will leave the shade on the screen. I have another product called Naked in another project pen and I'm confused between them, but anyway, I will leave the shade on the screen. I have a lip liner. I picked up another one, and this one is from Nabi. It's a retractable lip liner, and this one is in the color Cinnamon. This one works very well. I didn't use it. I just try it to see if this one is worth to have it in a project pen. And I saw that works very well with a lipstick that I have from Tarte in Partners in Cream project pen. So I'm sure this will be easy to use. It's not a whole lot of product like in the pencils, but anyway, still some to work on. It's very creamy, applies easy, so I'm pretty sure I can finish this one. Next thing in here, I have this elf, and those are the pearls in natural. I moved these products so many times to a place to another, then they were kind of crushing. Here is how they look. I used them several times. I do like the color, looks very natural as the name says, and I wanna use them. At this moment I don't have any full-size powder in any project pen, so I was thinking that it's time to get them done. And last thing in here, which are 3 products actually, and I don't know why I'm wasting my time with eyeshadows, but anyway, I will try at least to hit pen in those. This is a palette from Tarte, High Performance Naturals, and I think is Amazonian Clay Eye and Cheek palette. Looks like this, the palette, and has 2 eyeshadows and a blush. pretty cute palette. The colors are very easy to use. Let's try to swatch them. Very nude. So those are two colors, the light one and the dark one, and let me swatch. And the names are Design and Fame, and the blush is called Abstract. So let's see if I can find some space here. And here is the blush, not extremely pigmented, not more on the natural side, so that's why I picked up this palette. We'll see how they go. Anyway, this one and those two are gonna be for a long time in this project. I'm not planning to close this project at the end of the year. I'm just going with another update. That's kind of all for this update. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your comments. I will see you guys soon. Somebody, not only somebody, a couple of you asked me about the advent calendars. Well, to be honest, I don't know at this time what I will get. I still have so many products and I'm not quite planning to add more to my collection before I'm removing some. But anyway, it's holidays, let's enjoy them. I will have some advent calendars, but I have no idea which one I will get. I will try hard to get the Cold Beauty one, and as every year I will get the Look Fantastic. And other than that, at this point, I don't know, probably the L'Occitane one. If you have any suggestion, let me know, but definitely I'm not gonna have as many as I used to have in the previous years. Anyway, that's kind of all for now. If you have any recommendation, I don't know what they will ship for from Europe this year. Every year is different, and when you think that you're gonna get a calendar, you just see that they don't ship in US. So we'll see about that. Let me know if you saw something interesting, because I had no time to check them. Usually at this time I'm all up and know everything about calendars, but this year it's kind of different. So thank you for your advices anyway, not only regarding the calendars. I will see you guys soon. You have fun, stay safe, bye bye.